already made the poke. Niggas too scared to go.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notifications for your girl. What's up, y'all? So today, as y'all can see, this video is sponsored by a company called Sculpa, and they sent me a brow lamination kit. So I opened it already. I've been like messing with it, just seeing what's in here. So I'm gonna try to do like a brow lamination at home in the box. Okay, kind of laminate my eyebrows. I've been trying to grow them out just because, like, you can see, like, I have some spots where I usually like fill them in, but if I laminated them and brushed them up, it would be like more full, like you see how this side is. And then I need my eyebrows. I don't know if I should have plucked them before I did this, but I feel like if I laminate them and then pluck them, I'd be able to see the hair a little bit better, but I don't know, we'll see. So this is the kit here. It has bonding agent, cleanser, lifting serum, fixing serum, and nourishing serum. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to laminate my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take one of their little spoolies and I'm going to brush my eyebrows up. Like, it came with a lot of stuff. It came with a pair of scissors, which I actually been needing a new pair of little tiny scissors, so I was really excited when I opened this and seen this in there. But this is what the little kit looks like. It has these little combs so you can comb out your brows or lashes, because this also does like a lash lamination as well. But I'm going to focus on these brows today. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cleanser and I'm going to wipe off my eyebrows just to get rid of any oil, excess makeup, anything. You just want to make sure that area is really clean just so the product sticks and it works as best as it can. Bonding agent. So I think they look pretty good, like, because that's how I would brush them up before I fill them in. So I think we're doing a good job. So now we're going to take the Sculpa lifting agent. This is the lifting agent. I'm going to take a little bit and on one of these little tiny applicators that they have, and I'm just going to apply that to the brows too. And then we're gonna take a piece of plastic wrap and put over the eyebrows, but I don't have any plastic wrap, so this is a little this is a little bag that the applicators came in, so I'm actually gonna cut it in half and try to use that. Hopefully it works. I'm sure it will. Brows are combed out. I've applied the plastic, so we're gonna let this sit for 3 to 5 minutes depending on how thick your hair is. My hair is actually pretty thick, so I'm gonna leave it on for 5 minutes, no longer than 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna remove the plastic. Then we're gonna use the cleanser, and then I'm gonna clean off. So now we're gonna apply the fixing solution. We're gonna leave it on for another 3 to 5 minutes and we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. So I'm gonna take off the plastic, I take the cleanser, and I'm gonna wipe off the fixing lotion. Actually looks, wow, it actually, like, it's looking good already. So the last step is we're gonna take the nourishing serum and then we're gonna apply, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll be all done. Nourishing serum, and I'm just gonna take it and get one of these little applicators, apply it to the brows, and let it sit for like 3 minutes, and then we'll see what the finished result is, you guys. And we'll let this sit for 3 minutes, and then we'll come back and clean it up, and then we'll see what they look like. So I'm taking the cleanser and I'm wiping it down, and it actually looks pretty good so far. Pretty good. But I'm going to fill them in, and then so we can see what they look like at the very end. So I'll be right back. Because of the lamination, it's so much easier to do my eyebrows because I feel like it's more defined and fluffier. I feel like it looks cleaner, so I can actually just go in with my tweezers and then just clean up where I want to, like, pluck hair or clean up my eyebrows. So like you can see up here right here. It's just so much cleaner where I can just go in and just pluck the hair that I don't want there. But y'all, I really love this lamination. I'm gonna start doing this. I'm so happy that I got a chance to try something like this because I've never tried anything like this before, but I really am really liking the results of it. If you want to try the Sculpa brow and lamination kit, you can look it up on Amazon. I'll put all the information in the description box below. Thank you, Sculpa, for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, share, like this video up, y'all. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next upload.